Hi, my name is Klavs, Inspector today, inspecting this Aston Martin, right? So let's start with the bodywork. Obviously the factory quality on the panel bondings are dreadful, right? However, all the trims, all the carbon is fresh, all the vehicle has PPF on it, and it is in a good condition. There are a few marks on it you can see in a few areas, but I consider that well acceptable. I'm suspecting this door had a repair or replacement, as there is a drips visible and there's also some dust marks. So as on that side, I think we could had some bodyworks carried out. Obviously, to me, they're not structural, right? This glass was 2017, the rest of them are 2018, all the seat belts are 2018, so that's all fine. So I'm suspecting, obviously, you had a replacement, with a door replacement, or the skin replacement, as this is aluminium. Rest of the bodywork is composite materials, right? As you can see, this section is not straight, right? And I mentioned these drips. The seam sealant is applied, not straight, you know. And you can also see that there's also a bit of masking tape left. But as far as I can see, the repair is done to the good standard with niggly things left, right? So as I suspect, there has been some repairs done to this carbon fiber bonnet, this composite material bonnet, right? There also has been some body repairs done on a bumper. As it's PPF, you can't really see what I want to see, right? Most of the panel thicknesses you obviously can't measure because of composite materials. So as you can see, the edges are overspray on a carbon. So it had something done, right? That is the bodywork. All the alloys being refurbed, they are good. All tyres need replacing because they're cracking. Brakes are good. When you're opening the bonnet, I mean the boot lid, it's touching this air duct here. The carbon is fine. Interior has fair wear and tear, as I would expect for sort of 20,000-mile car, and for the 6-year-old. Battery is good. There's no leaks, nothing on any transmission, from any transmission on powertrain items. So there are a few fault codes present on it. That bulb is faulty, the interior door bulb. We're bringing the fault codes. The fault's been recently cleared as well, about 20 kilometers ago, assuming they've been doing some BDI on it, you know. So I'm going to go for the road test now. As overall what I see, there's no major reason to reject this vehicle so far. Thanks for using this.